Sneed Coding Solutions. Doing a product demonstration with our Meenjet M6 handheld printer, the surface adapter without rails. We're going to show how you can use these two items together in order to print on objects similar to this cup, jars, bottles, etc. Objects that are small and uneven, particularly because the handheld printer does require a flat surface to print on. That's where the surface adapter comes in. The reason being, there is an encoder on either side. Well, there's a wheel on either side of the print head, one of which is tied to this encoder. That encoder reads the speed and calculates accordingly so that it can print legible messages for you every single time, regardless of who's using it, how fast or slow they're moving. So the first thing we're going to do is actually identify the starting print position of this message so that we know where to place the surface adapter in relation to the cup and get a consistent print spot. And the way we're going to do that, we're going to use this piece of white paper and the surface adapter initially to do a test print. We're then going to make some markings on our surface adapter to identify the start and end position. And then we know where to place the surface adapter in relation to the cup, and we'll do that print at the end. Very simple process. So the first step, we're going to take our surface adapter and get it lined up on this piece of paper. And then we're going to do a test print. So we got that lined up. Quick point, the center of your print head vertically is always going to be right here at this indentation of the roller. That's on both sides. You can see there's an indentation here. That's going to be the center of your print head vertically. I'm going to turn my print function on and then line up our print. So we line that up. It's important to also line up the beginning as well, and then we can pull the trigger and print. And we see there, I'm going to zoom in for you guys a little bit. There's our test print. We're going to make some quick markings. We know that this is where the beginning is. And we know that this is where the end is. So that's where our message is in relation to the surface adapter. And then that's how we're going to print our cup as well. Move back over a little bit here. Remove that. We now have our cup and our surface adapter, which we're going to place like so. We're going to line this up, squeeze the trigger, and print. And as you can see, our test print came out where we wanted it to. And that is how you can use our Meenjet M6 handheld printer with the surface adapter to print on irregular shaped objects. Remember, keep coding simple.